Hello students, 10th standard science. Today we are going to study the ray diagrams related to the lesson light reflection and refraction. Let us see the first ray diagram related to the concave mirror, that is when the object is placed at infinity. These are the images of concave mirror and this is the ray diagram when the object is placed at infinity. Here AB is the object. From the object, the incident rays falling on the concave mirror. After reflection, the reflected rays intersect at F, that is at principal focus. We are getting highly diminished image, point-sized image. Nature of the image is real inverted. So, when the object is placed at infinity in front of the concave mirror, we are getting the image at the principal focus and the size of the image will be highly diminished. That means very small and real inverted image we are getting. Next ray diagram, when the object is placed beyond C, that is beyond center of curvature, the images we are getting between C and F. Here the incident ray falling on the mirror, one more ray passes through the center of curvature and falls on the mirror. After reflection, reflected rays they intersect between center of curvature and the principal focus, and here we are getting the real inverted image. The size of the image will be smaller than the object. So the position of the object is beyond C, position of the image between F and C, that is principal focus and center of curvature, size of the image is diminished. Nature of the image is real inverted. This is the link to see the video related to this ray diagram. Third one, when the object is placed at C, that is at center of curvature, the image forms at that point itself. Position of the image also at center of curvature. Here also the incident rays falling on the mirror. After reflection, one ray passes through the principal focus and after reflection both reflected rays intersect at C. The size of the image same as that of the object. Nature again real and inverted. Next, when the object is placed between C and F, that is between center of curvature and principal focus, these are the incident rays falling on the mirror. After reflection, the reflected ray passes through the principal focus, another ray through the center of curvature. These rays intersect beyond C. Here we are getting the image. The size of the image is larger than the object and nature is real inverted. This is the ray diagram when the object is placed between C and F. Enlarged image we are getting here. Fifth one, when the object is placed at F, that is principal focus, after reflection the reflected rays passes through principal focus and the center of curvature. Both the rays move parallelly and the image we are getting at infinity. We are getting the highly enlarged image at infinity. Nature of the image is real inverted. Next ray diagram is when the object is placed between pole of the mirror and the principal focus. Here the rays are falling, incident rays falling on the mirror, and after reflection they intersect behind the mirror. Reflected rays intersect behind the mirror. Here we are getting the virtual erect image. Virtual means not real. We cannot get it on the screen. Highly enlarged image we are getting when the object is placed between pole of the mirror and the principal focus. Students, learn all these ray diagrams properly and also result of the ray diagrams. Thank you.